Alright guys, I'm gonna make a quick little video on this castle nut for the transfer case on the Land Rover Series 1, 2, and 3. This castle nut is what holds the gear coming out of the output of the transmission and then onto the intermediate gear of the transfer case. You want to have this castle nut checked every once in a while. Make sure you use brand new tabs, locking tabs. This one's obviously used and broken, and this is why you want to use new ones, because they can fatigue if you reuse them, and they can break. You don't want this to break while you're off-roading or on the trail. And then if you can, get a spare one and carry it with you on your leave it at home or carry it with you on the trail. You never know, you may need that little locking tabs. And then this one here is very important. In the beginning, I think this goes, check the manual, but I think it's 200 foot-pounds of torque. So when I first started, I built my own. I had a spare castle nut, and I made my own tool. This one is built long enough so that I don't have to use a extension on it. And I made it out of a pipe. And I matched the gear, the cuts, and I just went ahead and used a Dremel, or I believe it might have been even just like a cutting wheel on a grinder. And this is the more professional, heavy-duty gear. This one, socket, I should say. This one I got it from my friend Peter from Marina Motors. He gave me this one day that I needed to work on one of the Land Rovers. He just gifted this to me. Pretty cool. It's hard to find these original tools. This one uses a 22 millimeter plus an extension, and it's pretty stout. This one probably weighs the same amount as this one. This is all solid here, and it kind of rides on the upper shaft, so it keeps it from slipping and moving around, which is kind of nice. This one you have to make sure you have it, concentric and straight, and you don't end up like twisting it and falling apart. You can see some of the areas where it kind of slipped on the side just because it doesn't have the you're unable to concentrically align this socket with the nut. So you want to, if you can, get yourself one of these, or they save you a lot of headache, and you can get a proper weight on the proper torque on these nuts. They're very important, so you don't have any wear on your gears. So yeah, that's just wanted to do a quick sort of just tutorial on this. This is the nut that I was talking to you about, the castle nut. Let me move this drawing. That's the nut. Make sure you use that little washer, which is this one here. This goes here, and then the tabs on this one, there's two tabs. They go on there. They register on the gear, on the gear itself. There we go. And then these are the tabs that you bend into the castle nut once you install it. Once you torque it down, make sure you line it up in one of those tabs, and then you fold it up. All you need is one. So yeah, right here it says EP90 to gear it, but yeah, so there you go guys. Hope you guys got something on that one, and see you guys on the next one.